If you like my kids channel, please subscribe. Press the bell button. Click all for getting all notifications from my channel. Then give me likes and share with your friends.
Lemon battery. We need 4 lemons, 4 copper plates, 4 zinc plates, 5 wires, and 1 LED. Roll all lemons on a table. Okay, let's make it 4 lemons, 4 zinc plates, 4 copper plates. Take 5 wires. Insert zinc and copper plates into a lemon. Connect the wires like this. Connect zinc plates with copper plates of another lemon by using wires. Connect zinc plate with copper plate of another lemon. Connect like this. Connect copper plate of first lemon and zinc plate of fourth lemon to LED light. Electric current is a flow of atomic particles called electrons. Each lemon has a zinc electrode and a copper electrode. Wow, it's working! LED stands for light emitting diode. Friends, it's very easy to make. It's very simple, so please try to make it. Let's see how does lemon battery work. Citrus fruits can be used to generate electrical currents. We can use orange or lemons to make a battery. The lemon battery is called an voltaic battery, which changes chemical energy into electrical energy. The fruit produces the very small current, about 1 milliamp per lemon. It requires no more than 2.5 to 3 volts. Batteries generate electricity through a chemical reaction between two different metals such as zinc and copper. The zinc and copper are called the electrodes. The juice inside the lemon is called the electrolyte. The energy comes from the chemical change in the zinc when it dissolves into the acid. The energy does not come from the lemon. The acid in these fruits combines with electrons such as copper and zinc to generate electricity. These fruits can power small devices such as LED lights and basic digital clocks. When we place copper and zinc plate in an acid solution, electrons flow from one of the metals to the other, creating an electric current. A wire and LED connected to the metals allows the current to flow through them, lighting the LED. I hope you like this video so much. Give likes and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.